Hello, I'm Todd Baginski, a Microsoft MVP and the partner and CTO at Canvas Consulting. In this video, I'm going to give you an end-to-end demonstration of the Company Pulse PowerApps sample. After you have installed and configured the Company Pulse PowerApps sample, you will see it appear in your list of apps on web.powerapps.com. For example, if you go to web.powerapps.com and click Apps like I've done here, now you'll see it in the list. If you haven't set this app up yet, you can see my video which talks about how to set up and configure the app. To run it, click the ellipsis and select Play. This opens a new browser tab and launches the Company Pulse app. This is a fun little app that gives you newsfeed information from many different data sources inside of your organization. By default, we've demonstrated how to show messages from distribution lists in Outlook, those are marked with the green icon, from wiki libraries in SharePoint, marked with the red icon, from Yammer groups with the Yammer icon, and also from Twitter that you'll see lower down here, marked with the Twitter icon. You can filter on any of these sources by clicking the filter button and then merely selecting the item that you'd like to see. So for example, if I just like to see the shared news coming out of SharePoint, I can deselect these filters and now I will only see the shared news inside of there. Closing the filters tab shows me just the filters that I've applied. Let's add all of our data sources back here inside of our list and walk through them one by one. So first I'll start with emails that come from a distribution list. This PowerApp demo message is a good example. When I click that demo message in my news list, it actually shows me the content of the actual email that was sent here. If I click Open in Outlook, it will open the Outlook web access so I can see that message there as well. That will open in a new browser tab. Returning to the PowerApp here, I can now open one of the items that comes out of the SharePoint wiki library called Shared News. If you watch the installation video, you'll see how we configured this. Clicking on that item shows me the contents of the wiki page here, and if I click Open in SharePoint, it's going to take me right to that item right here. So here I can see those contents, and then coming back to the app, I can see them here as well. So that's a real nice way to show you how you can take content from SharePoint and put it right in a PowerApp. In addition to those two things, we also have Yammer as well as Twitter. So here is a test message that I created in Yammer. And you'll notice it opens in a new browser tab as well and takes me right to the message and shows me the full content for it. Returning to my PowerApp, I can also take a look at things in Twitter. Here's a recent tweet that was sent out, actually not so recent, but a tweet that was sent out on our Twitter account. Here you can see it opens up the Twitter account and takes me directly to that tweet and shows me everything right inside of Twitter. So this is a really nice way to look at the recent news from various avenues that are coming into the app to show you what's going on at a holistic picture with your organization. In addition to the news feed, we also have Documents. Documents uses the graph under the hood to return the trending documents in your organization. You can see here we also have filters put on by default for various Office documents. So I could filter down to just Word documents, for instance, and then close that filter. And again, just like on the other page, it shows me which filter I have applied. I'm going to turn on all the filters again and walk you through what it looks like when you interact with them. The first one that I'll show you is in Excel. So I have an Excel test document here I created for this. And when I click that document, again, it will open in a new tab and take me to the Office Web Apps view of that Excel file. Returning to the PowerApp, let's take a look at a Word doc. I'm going to click the Word doc in the bottom right-hand corner and head right to it. So again, here we can see we're using Office Web Apps to take us right to that document that's trending in our org. I can also look at PDFs. Here's a PDF that we have of a slide deck we've created. And there are also other data sources in here as well, like in OneNote, but I don't have one that's currently showing up in my trending documents. Although I do have a PowerPoint document, so I'll show you that one as well. It's right here. This is a demo slide deck for some bursting work we've been working on with the Azure team. So as you can see, this application gives you not only a view of the trending documents, but all the news for these various outlets that are providing it to the app throughout your company. We had a good time developing this Power App, and I hope you find it helpful inside your organization as well. Thanks for watching.